Hello, James Graney here from internetbizuni.com, and in today's video I will be answering a question that I've received quite a lot over the last few months, and that is, should I get started by selling products on Amazon Australia? I'm going to give you the hard facts about it and let you know what you need to know before you jump in and just start selling your products on Amazon Australia. So Amazon Australia is Amazon's newest marketplace. They just opened their doors at the back end of 2017, start of 2018 to customers. And if you were a seller thinking about getting started, thinking about selling products on Amazon Australia, then you should definitely watch this video before starting. So now that you're here, now that you're watching it, I'm just going to give you a few facts just that you should be aware of before you actually start selling on Amazon Australia. Okay, first off, it's a good thing to be an early mover. So I started selling products on Amazon back in 2013. I started on amazon.co.uk, and amazon.co.uk was relatively new back in 2013. It had been around for a long time, but it was still relatively new compared to now. There wasn't a whole load of customers on it, and better than that, there wasn't a whole lot of competition from other sellers. So this made it a lot easier to break through with products that were relatively unknown. It was a lot easier to do this back in 2013 because there was such little competition. But what you should remember is there was also a lot less customers. And just to explain to you why I'm giving you this comparison at the moment is that Amazon Australia isn't even near where amazon.co.uk was back in 2013 just yet. Like, Amazon Australia has literally just started, so they have very little customers. And the first thing that you should know is that yes, I do think Amazon Australia will become a major player in Australia for the simple reason that Amazon dominates any country that it goes into. It's done this in the UK, it's done this in the US, it's done this in Asia, it's done this all over the world, and it will continue to do this because the Amazon business model works. They simply allowed third-party sellers like me and you to sell products on their platform. And what this does is it makes sure that the customer gets served in the best way possible, because they measure us as sellers and they only keep the best sellers who sell products that are in demand. These are the only sellers that will survive using the Amazon FBA business model, and that is why Amazon wins, because Amazon gives such a great service to its customers, and it also provides the sellers with a massive marketplace, like loads of customers to sell to. So it works from both ends. So I am sure that Amazon Australia will work, but it is a bit off, a way off, getting there just yet. And the issue is, if you jump in already, then you're jumping in very early. And although it is good to get in early, like, I'm delighted that I got in on amazon.co.uk back in 2013, because this allowed me to get a head start before the rush of competition comes. This is the time you want to get in, because you can rank products a lot easier, you can get your reviews a lot easier, you can start selling products without half as many reviews as you need today when the competition are all out there trying to do the same thing. Your products don't have to be that unique, because simply there is not hundreds of other sellers selling the exact same product, so you don't have the difficulty with product research trying to find ways to make your products a lot more unique than your competitors, because simply if you sell the same thing, then there's only going to be a handful of you selling the same thing, so it's not going to be as big of a deal until competition picks up on the marketplace. So then, just looking at the kind of demographics behind it, Australia as a country has a population of just around 30 million people, which again is a lot smaller than even the UK. So that means even when Amazon Australia does reach maturity, it's still not going to be at the size of amazon.co.uk. But the good news is that Amazon are really trying to incentivize customers to sign up for Amazon Australia. So as you know, Australia is a massive country. It's a lot more spread out than the UK. It's a lot bigger of a country. So Amazon Prime is going to be a massive benefit for customers. And what Amazon are doing is they're giving Prime at an extremely low cost to customers at this present time. I do expect them to put up this cost over time, but at the moment they're only charging $59 per year for Prime membership. And of course, Prime membership gives Australian customers all of the benefits that it does give here in the UK and to Amazon Prime members in the US, which is all of, the access to all Kindle books, all Amazon movies, as well as free shipping. And in Australia, the shipping time is 2 days. That's the quickest shipping time, depending on where your products are being shipped from. But still, that's a lot better than what it is, if you're purchasing from a normal e-commerce store in Australia, where shipping times can be as long as a week or 2 weeks even. So Prime membership is going to be a massive benefit, and it is going to get a lot of customers to sign up to Amazon Australia extremely quickly. But just keep in mind that the population isn't really there for it to be one of the big Amazon marketplaces. Like, just putting it into perspective, Canada has a population of just over 30 million. So they're similar size-wise in population, and Amazon Canada still isn't a fraction of, the customers, doesn't have a fraction of the customers that Amazon.com has, or even Amazon.co.uk. You would still sell a lot more products if you're selling your products and if you're getting your products ranked on Amazon.co.uk or Amazon.com or even Amazon Germany compared to Amazon Canada. And the thing is that Amazon Australia isn't even where Amazon Canada is yet, and it won't be there for some time because it takes time to build up this customer base. So to simply answer the question that I get asked is, do you think this is a viable marketplace to start selling on? Because if you're trying to avoid competition from the other marketplaces, is this somewhere where I would say to go? And the answer, as you probably noticed, is yes and no. Yes, it is going to be a lot easier to get your products ranked. It's going to be a lot easier to get your products selling from the start, but there's just not going to be a lot of volume when you do get your products ranked and up and selling. So that is why I would advise you to have a look at Amazon.co.uk, have a look at Amazon Germany, and see if you can find a product that is suitable for these marketplaces, a product that you're actually passionate about, a way to make a product unique that's already selling well. And if you do this, then you can sell your product extremely well. Yes, there is competition on Amazon.co.uk and on Amazon Germany, but there's a lot less competition than on Amazon.com. And yes, there still is a lot of customers because these marketplaces are mature, which is unlike Amazon Australia. And Amazon Australia, who can really tell how long it's going to take for Amazon Australia to get mature and to become a dominant Amazon marketplace? This could take, 3, 4, 5, 6 years even. And even when it does, it's not going to be of the size that Amazon.co.uk is, and maybe not even the size that Amazon Germany is. So if you are starting your own private label branded products today, then I would definitely recommend that you get started on Amazon.co.uk or Amazon Germany, if at all possible. And of course, if you're from the US, you can still get started on Amazon.com in the US, but just be aware that there is a lot more competition. I know this firsthand from selling there, that there is a lot more competition on Amazon.com than there is compared to the other European marketplaces. And again, there is a lot of other European marketplaces that are yet to take off massively. And this may be down to just not having the big population of, say, Amazon.com in the US, but the likes of Amazon, Spain, Italy and France, these marketplaces are all doing okay. There is sales being made, each and every day on these marketplaces. But again, for me at least, it doesn't compare to the amount of sales that I make on Amazon.co.uk and Amazon Germany. So yeah, I just thought I'd bring you this quick video because I do get asked this question quite a lot, and there's no point just simply replying to this in an email and others coming on looking for the answer to the same question or looking for my opinion on the same question again and again. Whereas if I just put this video up there, then you can see it for yourself. So I hope that this video helps you out. If you are looking to get started, if you are looking to start your own brand of private label products on Amazon, then I have a link in the description below for the unique private label course. The course is currently open to new members, so you can sign up there. Just go down, click on the link, and you will see all of the videos that you get when you sign up. But for now, that's pretty much it. I hope that you've enjoyed this video, and I look forward to speaking to you on the next one. Bye.